Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to share your OneDrive files. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now let's get started. First, open your OneDrive account. Then go to the file that you want to share. For example, I have this file on my music that I want to share. Now to share this file, simply tap on the share icon, which will appear when you hover your mouse over this file. You can also get here by simply tapping on this three-dot icon, which represents more options. And here is the share button to share this file. Simply tap on it. And here you can type the email address of the one that you want to share this file with. You can also type multiple email address to send this file to multiple people. After that's done, tap on the send button, or you can share this file through a link. To do so, simply tap on this copy button. And here is the link that you can copy and share your file. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.